This is a shed roof that on the end down there has rusted clean through. Fortunately, the rusted part is on the hangover past the wall of the shed. And for some odd reason, they let this thing hang over 4 feet. And this is why. In some areas, this pine straw is 6 inches deep. And I'm a big fella, so there's not a chance on earth I can get on that roof and get this off of there. So I made a little something. This is just a top rail fence post. And give me a second and I'll show you how this works. Oh, sorry, I wasn't even showing you. It's a little heavy when you get out this far. So what I'm gonna do is shove it all up to where it's at now, and then I'm gonna put my ladder on the other side and drag it off that way. Okay, got a lot to do. But if I wanna save this roof, it's gotta be done. Halfway done. Now I need to get on the other side and drag it all off towards me, which is gonna be really messy. I'm telling you.
Oh, my back is killing me.
Halfway there.
Yeah, but the last half is the hardest.
Yeah, it's the thickest over there for sure.
Well, it's just that. The last half is always. Oh my God.
Isn't that amazing?
Ugh.
I can't believe she didn't get little skinny Eddie up here to do that.
No more pine trees.
I hate pine trees.
Ooh.
Pine straw creates a lot of work. And it rots and rusts and it's highly acidic. There's no getting away from them. So, I'm going to cut. I gotta go to the Wascom Hardware. Wascom Hardware is a nice, old-timey hardware store, and it closed down there for about a year, and it just reopened under new ownership. So, I'm going to go up there and get a metal cutting blade for my circular saw, and I'm gonna cut in all the way down, about 2 feet in, and then I'm gonna take this trim off around the edge because it's pine straw is packed in underneath that and it's rotting the edge. And I'm gonna take the trim off and see what the edge looks like. If the edge looks bad, I'm gonna cut it off with my circular saw with a metal cutting blade, and I do believe we have saved the roof because there's no rust through marks, only on the very end there where all the water pooled. So many thanks to my wife for having the guts to get up on this. There's a beam that runs through the center here, and this is sitting right on the beam, so we were safe with her on it. And I am going to get on it. The wall is 4 feet in, so I'm going to stay over the wall and then reach out 2 feet with my circular saw and cut down that end. So, all right, let me go get a metal cutting blade. We'll be right back. Well, I've got the edge trim cut off. I got it cut off over there, and now I'm working on cutting this off, but it's pinching my blade, so I'm gonna have to go find my lovely assistant and have her hold this up with a rake as I cut it off and just let it fall when it falls, because Yeah, I won't be able to cut through that with it falling down and pinching the blade. There's just no way to do it without some help. That's what I'm using. Those are abrasive blades that fit on a circular saw. In case you didn't know that, you can cut metal with it, and I believe you can cut concrete with it too. All right, let me go find my bride. Actually, I just looked at this. This is a concrete masonry cutting blade. So I hear a lawnmower. There she is over there. All right, let me go get her. All right, we are done. That was way more work than I thought it was going to be. What you gonna do, hon? You gonna go pee? Okay.
For like an hour, everybody kept saying, help me, help me.
Okay, that's going on YouTube.
Please don't put that on YouTube.
Okay, I won't put that on YouTube. Because there's not a lot of people see this kind of stuff, you know?
Yep.
Go ahead, go ahead. That's how it's done.
That's it.
There's not much that makes my heart ache anymore. Life over the years has pretty much hardened my heart, but this, that just makes my guts ache. That poor dog has got a 6-foot chain. He's in mud all night long. You can hear him howling. They barely feed him. That's his life. 6 foot of chain, standing in mud. Nobody to pet him or love on him. He's not part of a pack. Just makes my guts ache.